With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is the first and second ionization enthalpies and electron gain enthalpy of some elements are as given below. Okay, these are the elements A, B, C, D, E, F, and here enthalpies are given here. Okay, here this is first ionization energy, this is second ionization energy, and this is electron gain enthalpy is given. Here we have to find out which of the element given above is the least reactive. Okay, so let us see. First we know about that what is ionization energy. Here ionization energy is the energy required to remove an electron from the outermost orbital, and first ionization energy is energy required to remove an electron from neutral atom, and second ionization energy is energy required to remove an electron from an one positive ion. Okay, so what is electron gain enthalpy here? Electron gain enthalpy is defined as the energy released during the addition of an electron in the outermost shell of an electron gain enthalpy of an element is a measure of firmness or strength with which an extra electron is bound to it. Depending upon the nature of the element, the process of adding an electron to an atom can be either exothermic or endothermic. Exothermic is that when heat is released or energy is released. Endothermic is that when energy is absorbed. Okay, so electron affinity can be negative. Energy is released when electron is added, and it can be positive when energy must be added to system to produce an anion. Okay, atom, as we know that metal have tendency to lose electron, whereas non-metal have tendency to gain electron. Okay, so metals with low ionization energy and negative electron gain enthalpy will be more reactive, whereas non-metals will have high ionization energy, have tendency to gain high ionization energy, and negative electron gain enthalpy will more reactive. Elements in the second ionization energy state are more reactive than first ionization energy. Elements with negative electron gain enthalpy will be more reactive. So the element which has highest first ionization enthalpy and positive electron gain enthalpy will be least reactive. Okay, so let us see option here. Let us see elements here. The least reactive element will be those elements which have high first ionization enthalpy. As we see that here first ionization enthalpy high for element E. Okay, this is high ionization enthalpy and positive electron gain enthalpy. From all the above elements, only element 5 have positive electron gain enthalpy. So from here we can say that addition and removal of electron from the outermost orbital will be tough. So from here we can say that element E is the least reactive element. So option 3 is the correct answer of this question here.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.